Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. This job lead is going to be in the healthcare field, verifying insurance benefits and doing some medical billing. I feel like I gained a lot of subscribers a year or so ago off my healthcare videos. It was one of my specialties, and I feel like I've kind of strayed away from that, not sharing as many healthcare job leads. So today I have a healthcare job lead for all of those of you who are interested in healthcare. The company is Hazel Health. They have a 44 reviews on Glassdoor. They do have an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. And they are hiring a medical billing associate. This is remote for the United States. I do just quickly want to ask though, if you enjoy job leads like this, let me know by giving me that direct feedback. Give this video a thumbs up, like button, and share with anyone you know who could benefit from this. Now, Hazel Health is hiring in certain states only. They are listed right here. But they're basically looking for somebody to support various functions of their revenue operations team, making sure that real-time insurance benefits eligibility and coverage information for patients is up to date. And then you'll also follow up on any rejected or outstanding claims that the insurance company has not paid yet. So the basis of this job is, again, verifying those insurance benefits, medical necessity, and any authorizations or referrals that the patient needs before being seen and getting services. Once the insurance company processes the claim, you're going to read and interpret that explanation of benefits, understanding any steps involved to correcting anything that was not paid. You'll have to look at things like if it was processed and paid, the patient's copays, deductibles, things like that that should be billed to the patient. And if it wasn't paid, what the errors are. Is it a coding error that can be corrected and rebuild? Do they need medical records? Things like that. You're just going to communicate with these insurance providers. It says through phone and electronically through web portals, just validating all of this information. I can tell you a lot of this is done online through those web portals. Now, because this is a healthcare position, you are going to have to follow HIPAA guidelines, but they are looking for somebody who is passionate about healthcare for children, someone who has 2 years experience in some kind of insurance verification. Specifically, they're looking for somebody who has worked with insurance companies before, maybe Medicaid or managed Medicaid, or maybe those commercial payers like United Healthcare and Blue Cross Blue Shield. Somebody who can use those Google Suite systems like Google Sheets, Google Docs, things like that. Someone who is experience just in claims follow-up in general. Above that, you've got to be self-motivated and be able to meet those remote work expectations. So you'll have to come to meetings that are done virtually when required. Now, it does not say that they require any kind of college degree. However, they are preferring an associate's degree, but pay for this position is anywhere from $22 an hour all the way up to $26 an hour. And of course, a standard benefit package, 401k with the match, health care, and all of that is included. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave in the comments anything specific that you're looking for. I do read those and keep that in mind. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, like button if you enjoyed it. Share with all your friends and family, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.